guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're looking at a brand new Sea Ray SLX 250. The boat is really well equipped, really well optioned. The boat has a submersible swim platform that's going to hydraulically come out from under the integrated swim platform. Great lounge area back here, so you can sit up here, a little forward of this, or lay that down and sit all the way back. Great storage underneath this seat. Great spot for ropes and lines, life jackets, saddle floats, noodles, things to hang out in the water and play on. We do have a cooler in the starboard side walk-through, so open that door up. Transfer remote for the stereo. Lots of room inside the boat. This boat is equipped with an upgraded Fusion stereo system, so it's got a subwoofer and upgraded speakers and amps, tower speakers, speakers inside the tower. The tower is electric, so you push a button and the tower goes down, push the button the other way and it goes back up. With the SLX, you do get the fiberglass reinforced seats on the backs. Really nice flip-up bolsters. Well-appointed dash with our SIMRAD screens. So you've got your mercury information in here, you've got your lake information in here, your GPS, your chart plotting. It does have fish finder capabilities. You can even control your Fusion Bluetooth or your Fusion stereo system through the SIMRAD touchscreen. Really nice boat. Well-equipped interior head. It is upgraded to have the blinds and really nice package inside of there. It is going to be a holding tank, so it is similar to your bathroom at home. You flush it and it goes down to a holding tank and you get that pumped out. As we make our way to the bow, lots of room in the bow. One of my favorite things about the 250 SLX is the storage in this boat. So you bring these up and you have a ton of storage down below to be able to get whatever you need down in there. Really nice flip down armrests. Great way to lounge. You can put a couple of people up here, 4 or 5 people up here, really however many people you want up here. The boat does have a windlass, so you push the button, anchor goes down, push the button, anchor comes back up. If you have any questions on this Sea Ray SLX 250 or any of our other boats that we have in stock, just give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at MarineMax.com. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you.